Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about the Stations of the Cross that are built into town. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below, there's links to various websites, including Amazon.com if you wish to purchase the Easter book in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. The route of the Stations of the Cross were built into the buildings of San Miguel de Allende in the mid-1700s by Father Philip Neri Alfaro. The stations start from next to the Parroquia and continue on the streets of Juarez, Misiones, Nunez, and San Francisco to end at the tiny chapel of Calvary, named for the hill Jesus died on. Inside the chapel is the image of Jesus with painful anxiety on his face for his forlorn solitude. Stations of the Cross refer to the series of artistic representations depicting Christ carrying the cross to his crucifixion. Churches typically place the Stations of the Cross at intervals along a church's side walls and are reflective of the artistic culture where the church is located. I once stumbled into an Irish church where the Stations of the Cross were all made from local marble, and each of Jesus' faces were modeled to represent John F. Kennedy. The tradition of moving around the Stations of the Cross to commemorate the death of Christ began with St. Francis of Assisi. It is most commonly done during Lent, especially on Good Friday. Traditionally, there were 14 Stations of the Cross, but Pope John Paul II added the Resurrection as the 15th. In many of the indigenous chapels surrounding the town, the Stations of the Cross are marked in the front courtyard of the church, for it was outside that the indigenous preferred to worship. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel on San Miguel de Allende's Secrets.